next to yours? Thank you. Yeah, I don't know. Like, all the black diamonds are essentially closed today. We'll take it as a warm-up run today. Warm-up run? Yeah, but you know, we're kind of out of shape. You have been boarding. You don't need a warm-up run. Where are you taking that to? Over there. So we don't have to come back this way. Yeah, we do. Oh, we come back here anyway. No, we don't. I need my GoPro. Yeah? Go get your GoPro. Alright, I'm gonna smash the window then. Here. Wait. I am rocking some new equipment here. It's Season Aero. Freshly waxed. Let's give it a go. That's what it looks like. Is this still recording? Yeah. Okay. Oh, you turned yours on. Welcome back to Caberfae. This is my third time, your second time. Yes, sir. In Caberfae. I know, because my jacket has the one Caberfae ticket from last year. Yeah, I threw mine away, but I'm rocking a new snowboard this year. I'm gonna show it off. Yeah, if I could just stretch my legs. It's so black. Yeah, it's just all matte black how I like it. I don't like all those stupid designs. I like mine clean. It's so slick. I want to ski like that. Yeah, they make a so this is a Season Aero. That's the model name. Yeah. They make a ski counterpart that looks basically like this but in skis. Yeah. And I think they're a bit wider than your current skis, so they should help out in powder or thick snow. Yeah, maybe. But I had this at a setback stance with a positive 15 up front and then positive 5 in the back. And I've already ridden this several times and it feels awesome. We're going to test it out in some glades this time around because there are no real big glades near southeast Michigan. Yeah, we'll have it go. We're going to warm up here, I think, just to get our muscles loosened up, and we'll see where this goes today. That's my secret, Captain. I have no muscles. Windy. It's windy. Right. It's getting very icy. Yeah. It's getting very icy. Yep. I'm camouflaged. I almost missed you.
Where does that go?
This one just goes to the other side.
Is that okay?
I don't know, there's a path here. You want to try it?
I guess they didn't block it off.
I didn't block it, you know?
Okay. Where'd this even go? Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I remember this. Going down here?
Pick up all the trash I can.
10 points for Gryffindor. Alright, I guess this is where we're going. Is there a way through here? I don't even know. It's like weird. It's like ice snow.
Yeah, it's like ice snow.
Thank you. That's exactly what I just said.
Woo! Oh yeah. I think last time we went that way. Let's try it again this time. Oh, it's gnarly. Oh.
Dude, how are you so fast?
What? Come over here, spray me.
Hey.
Hey, man. I'm a new man now.
You're snowman now.
Oh, yeah, let's go down that way. Oh my goodness. Yeah, just an hour run. Oh my god, it's cold, man. Ice! 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 They're all ice! All ice! Oh. Whoa. Whoa. It's good to have a buddy. It's bumpy, dude. Yeah. How's my base? Ah, base is looking good for the most part. How is your ski feeling? No biting?
Fine, it's great.
Alright.
Smooth.
Hey, I know a way to avoid stairs.
How you doing?
Reviewing the footages from today, and I'm very pleased with the angle shot and everything.
We'll get some good footage out of this.
Yeah, I have a lot of editing to do. I gotta film the intro to the video. The Season Aero snowboard, directional but still cambered. Setback stance, but still feeling like it's relatively centered. Handles great. Great snowboard, very light on the foot, easy turn initiation, great for speed. See, this is how a skier walks versus a snowboarder. Just keep walking.
I give up. I'm going full Nordic.
Oh, very good. Are you gonna take the lift?
Now this is how a skier walks versus a snowboarder.
Yeah. Oh, look at him go. Tune in for part 2 to this trip. We're gonna go back to Caberfae Peaks tomorrow to try out some other runs that we weren't able to get to today.